Leetcode Daily Challenge. It is a hard problem today. 2528. Maximize the minimum powered city. To solve this problem, we're gonna need 4 key ideas, which are 1. Greedy check, 2. Binary search, 3. Difference array, and 4. Prefix sum. First, greedy check. In the range based on given k, we want to find out a target number within this minimum to maximum range by checking if one target number is possible or not, and hoping we can find the best value as quick as possible. Next, binary search. Since k could be a big number, we don't want to go through all possible numbers within this range. Otherwise, we're gonna get a TLE, time limit exceeded. Instead, we're gonna do a binary search to reduce the time complexity. Third, because a new power station could affect those cities within the range of R, we want to update the total power of a city by adding a value. In this scenario, if we want to add a number to each element in the range, instead of going through them one by one, we can take use of difference array to update the whole range at once. We can also use this difference array method for the array of original powers as well. Instead of calculating the sum of the subarray again and again, we're going to use a prefix sum, where the power of index will be the differences of two adjacent prefix sum. These are the 4 key ideas. Let's go over this solution again. First, with prefix sum, we initialize the current power of each city. Then we try a lucky target number within the possible range. We build some new station somewhere for the city with minimum power. With a difference array, we update the original power array and increase the current minimum power to reach the target. We want to check if it is possible for all cities to reach this target power number after k new stations. If succeeded, we try a bigger number. If we are not lucky enough, we try a smaller number until we finish all the possible number in the range.